What happens during a mold inspection? Before we launch into the procedures, one thing you need to know is, what is mold? Mold is a kind of fungus that thrives in moist places and reproduce in airborne spores. There are over 400,000 types of mold. Mold grows in hidden places, like behind the wall and under the carpet. So, you need a professional to find all hidden mold sources in your house. How do inspectors test for mold? The first step that a mold inspector carries out after consulting with you is to inspect visually the possible hidden mold sources. Surface sampling or testing can be the next step after visual inspection. Or mold inspectors could use bulk sampling, where they take part of the sampled area to the labs. A swab, something like cotton wool, is rubbed across certain surfaces for testing. Air sampling can be done in several ways. It involves sampling the air in your house for the presence of mold. Mold inspection is incomplete if it does not lead to mold remediation. If mold inspectors find mold in your home, the next step after air and surface testing is remediation. Remediation begins by finding the cause of the problem and fixing it. Is a mold inspection worth it? In cases where your mold is noticeable, and you know it is the toxic black mold, or don't care what type of mold is growing, a mold inspection is not worth your time. Instead, it would be best if you skipped to the remediation. Our professional mold inspection service, O2. Mold testing is the professional service you need. We are dedicated to helping our customers find the mold in their house using the most professional approach. Call us at 888-202-1680 today to have your house inspected.